Hey guys, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell. Smash that like button. And I'm going. I created my own private server and don't press the button because I don't want anyone else to. So if you're under, I'm in the basement because I can't. Anybody else? Here. Come on. It's not letting me press the button. Here we go. Come on. Let me press the button. Maybe I need it there. That's right. Okay. There we go. Yay, I won! What's this button here for though anyways? It's not my football. Let's just get off of me. Okay. Okay, what are you doing? Ooh, swords. I am no one to battle here. You know what? Should go somewhere else. Oh, maybe I should show you my Gacha Club characters, but I saw the 70-sec ones, of course. I'm happy about that. Alright. Anyways, so this is me. You know this is me. Usually that's Torture, that's Soldier, it's Badgie. Those are my new characters. I'll show you my new ones. Oh, and here's Billy, Dino Piggy, Soldier Boy, 2, and Soldier Boy 1. And here's Memory, Gwen, you, and here's Ready, Torture, Centipede Bones, Chica, Springtrap, Piggy, Lenny, Leah, Billy, Flash, Ellie, and Bloodshot, Haley, Demon, Billy, Ghosty, Circus Baby, Bonnie, Ava, Holly, Lily, Foxy, Charlotte, Ellie, again, Panicky, Holly, Jobo, Pokey, Mother, Zizzy, Mangle, Toy Bonnie, Chelsea, Moonlight, Galaxy, Officer Doggy, Skelly, Zompiggy, Angel, Bunny. Oh, wait a second. Whoops, I accidentally did that once. Let's just make her smile and Dirt Cheeks. Those cheeks need to get back to normal. Let's see here. Skelly's does. And I saw Zon Piggy's cheeks need to get changed. There we go. And then here is Billy again. Kaylee. Seaman. Billy again. Foxy. Yep, like I said, Charlotte. Mother. Bonnie, Chelsea, and then wait. Oh, wait. Ew. And then here's Devil, Foxy, Bunny, Pony, Clowny, Willow, Cleo, Mousy, Mia, William, George, Kitty, Robbie, Candy. And that's all of them. Now, let's see. Let's go on Roblox now. Okay, I'm just gonna do something similar. How about this? Since that one isn't full. Anyways, holy, whoa, holy, guys are probably dead. I don't think anyone won that round, or did they? Come on. Oh, 3 people won that thing. Wow, surprise. Good job to them then. Come on. What a press that button. That's it. Trampolines. Woo! Trampoline. Good. I don't want it. Please. I'm dying. Never mind. I didn't die. I survived. Good. Please. No. Please. Ew. I hope there's not supposed to be one winner, because if there is, oof, I'm dead. Coin. Is there any more coins? Like, did I lose? Maybe I won, but somewhere in there. Okay. Press that button. What do I? Ooh, soccer ball. What's? Ooh, holy, that's a big soccer ball, alright. Come on. You don't want to die. Come on. Gotta just push it in the net. Come on. That way. Oh my god. Good. No one won. That's good. Anyways, let's see. Hey, Jaken. Let's say hi. Hi. Jackin. Come on. Ooh, a slide! I love slides. What's it gonna do? Holy. Huh? That's what I get for not sliding. Dumb slide. Anyways, if the video ends, that means bye-bye. A Colopolis, I died. Of course. I can't kill people who are in a Colopolis. Jackin didn't survive either. Or unicorns. And these guys did, apparently. J.O. and Shaky. Wow, surprise. Press the button. Come on. Ooh, slide, slide, slide. I love slide. Come on. Slide. Where's that? Oh! That was that hurt a lot. Ah! Yay! Oh, where's mine? Mine's lit too. Okay, come on. I know you're there. Speed run? Why? Good speed run me. Oh, this looks fun. Oh god. Oh. Okay. How do people do that? No, I'm gonna play something else. Which should I play? Oh! Hold on, guys. I want to show you my badges I got. You guys ready to see my badges? Stacy. Free. Stacy. Free 5. Anyways, let's see here. Following 1 followers. Anyways, where? Okay. Here is all of my badges. I played. I beat that. I beat it. Well, I didn't beat it, but I found it. Yes, I completed Outpost, and I earned these skins. And a few. Creek the Farmer, Richie Piggy, Live, Mousy, Crush the Mark. Huh, I didn't know that. Cody, Santa, and Cyborg Donkey, and Cyborg Piggy. I voted. Yes, I did vote. Ooh, that's a lot. Let's see. Take care. Yes, I played. Yes, I completed Carnival. Knees. And I beat a house. Holy. Let's see. And I beat the school map for my first time. Oh my god. Maybe there should be other maps too on Piggy. I wonder if I can. Yeah, let's try. Alright. Oh, by the way, I've ate lunch, so. Have you guys seen Creek's live stream? Because I have a little. Let's see if he's online still after this. Okay, I am not very good. Oh, there should be Carnival because I've done it before, so. Hold on. The wrench. Yes. Go. Oh, somebody already used it. Busted. Somebody used it. Oh, good. Nobody has the hand. Nobody has the code. Oh, crap. Why does it want to have the water? God. Somebody hasn't got the hammer. The yellow safe not open? It's not open. That's why. Where's that yellow key? I'm gonna look for it. Get out of here. Does he have the yellow key? No yellow key in there. Any yellow key in here? Alright. Never mind. Okay. Clowny's in there. So certain. Oh god, Foxy's out. Guys, where's the yellow key? Okay, I am gonna have to somehow get out of here. Oh my gosh, is he like blocking in there for some reason? There's got to be a reason. Come on, got the. Oh, yes, good job. Come on, let's get now. Yes, come on. Going. Whee! Oh my gosh. Yay! Mr. P, I'm here too. Who are you? Zizzy? Are they infected? Pony, the infected don't talk. Right, I knew that. I did too. I'm Zizzy and this is my friend Pony. So many good memories. I'm Stacy. Free 5. What are you doing here? We came to look for servers. We got a safe place. People could just call me Stacy though. Oh look, we've got a friend too. That's no friend. That's no friend. That's one of them. Don't worry, I got this. Yay. Oh, I wonder what it is. Outbooks? Is it say? Are they saying? Let's see. 5 hashtags. Means. Ooh, I got 80. Ooh, I'm so close to getting a butter pig skin. Huh, I wonder how I got 80. That's some sort of glitch. Mal. Same ball because I voted. I football. Ooh. Go Cardinal. What? Okay. Come on. I hope it's me. Oh, it was Jiggy Jacks 1235. Or I'll just call him Shax. You better be ready, Mr. P. I'm coming for you. I agree. I am coming for you. Make sure you have. Let's go. Okay, is there any like keys? Since I said B key, like so you'll see. And I was gotta go before it's 30 seconds again. See, nobody. Ooh, I found the blue key. Come on. Yes, got the blue key. Oh. I actually don't know where they are. Oh crap. Somebody has the green key. Now I gotta use the blue key. Wonder where Piggy spawns anyways. Okay, I gotta watch out for Piggy. Now I'm confused. Purple key, purple save, and a gun, and then a bullet. Oh, too easy. Where is Piggy? You know he's somewhere around here. Oh, Piggy. Come out, wherever you are. I have the gun. Come on, be shy. I knew you there. Oh, not you, Foxy. Come out, wherever you are. Oh, that scared the crap out of me. And I missed, and I need to get another bullet. Bullet. Who used the bullet? Somebody got to have an ammo or something. Okay, where is Piggy? Accidentally wasted one bullet. That's fine. Take that. Somebody's got to have the plank. I have to protect them. Come on, guys. Just use the plank already. Wait. The plank's still there. They haven't used it. No, I don't want to give him a crown. You just use the plank. Where is one more set of bullets? Oh no, that's the only place with a set of bullets. Oh, the last place. Oh, crap. Your name. You are very mean. I hate you, piggy. Of course. Well, at least I can get away from him. Let's just go somewhere else. Let's play a dummy. Let's see if Creek is still online. Servers. Let's see if he's done his server. No. Okay, I'm gonna play a dummy though, because I heard there's a new update. A farm shop update. Ooh, that sounds fun. Let's get a little ladybug. Is that common, rare, or original? Figure that out. All I have is a dog. Holy. Hold on, guys. I need to go do something. Holy, that bin is full. To become a parent. No thanks. Clothes. This is what I look like in dummy. Guys, I gotta go do something again. Anyways, maybe I could teleport somewhere. I want to trade with someone. Cool. Alright, I'll just. Maybe I could check out Quiet Fool's house? Let's see what his house looks like. Normal. That's normal. Normal to me. Okay. Come on. Wait, I can dance in this. I can dance. Dance too. Dance. Dance 2, so let's see dance 3. Dance 4. Whoa, that's pretty cool. Hey, look! It's good on my from backpack. Let's give him some coffee. Yes. There we go. I hope he likes it. Ooh, his house looks so nice. Let's check it out. Oh, his house looks nice. Where's she? Where his house is. It looks amazing. Beautiful. Could I just sleep on our bed? Funny. Cause I'm tired, or it's shower time. Let's see. What else is in here? Nope. Oh, that's what I get. What I get for going to somebody's house. Ooh, it's a white teal house. Let's go there. It's called, ooh, this looks fun. Please don't leave the server too. Whoa. Pay owner? Nah, I don't want him. He ain't the boss of me. Ooh, grab the pizza. Yes. And now we're gonna add some sauce. Come on, sauce. What? Pepperoni sauce. And this. We're looking for stuff. And the cheese. Done. Come on. I'll put you to sleep since we're at somebody's house. If they have a bed. Oh, they do. Dog. Alright. Night, night, sleepyhead. Ooh. Ooh, cool. Okay. Come on. Just close the door. There you go. Come on. Pick up. Drop. Come on, Katie. Let's go. Let's go. Let's exit their home. Wonder how I locked the door on me. I am confused. Ooh, a gingerbread house. Let's explore. Who's that? Is that? Weird. Ooh, let's visit this dude's house. I love gingerbread. It's so yummy. Oh, look. I just met him. Have I? Yes, I have. This is so cool. I just met the owner of this house. Oh, He locked me out. It's so rude. Yes. Let's go to your house. Okay, ooh, it's a little. Ooh, I can see it. Okay, whoa, this over here is wait. Open the door. Whoa, and this is the bathroom, I believe. Ooh, office. Whoa. Ooh, you need a shower? Alright, come on. We're gonna look for the bathroom with a shower. Probably upstairs. Come on. Okay, sure. What? They don't. So that means they don't even take showers in this house? Wow. Let's just exit and get out of here. Now, let's just go to my home. It's where I take a shower. So that's where my shower is. Wait, this dude's house is normal, so I can take a shower in his. Hopefully he doesn't lock the door on me. Hold on. Okay. Dog. Anyways, I gotta end the video after I cleaned up Katie. Alright, Katie, it's time to say goodbye to our friends on YouTube. Katie, say goodbye. Bye, guys. We hope you enjoyed the video.